Hi, this is Litre from Total Bucks Plus. Today we have a 2013 Mazda CX-5, stock number 6299. It's ran from the 2nd 2012 to the 12th 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed all-wheel drive transmission. This is a SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.